Hello everyone, welcome to this series of learning Microsoft Word. This part 1 will be introducing to you all about templates, all about ribbons, and also how can you work on Microsoft Office Word. Let's get started. The first thing to be done is to know how to open Microsoft Office Word. There are too many ways that we can use. The first one, we can say, okay, let's search for Word here. Anyway, we open it. The second way, we can come here and click on Word that is pinned there. Also, your Microsoft Office Word will get started. The other way, you can come to your desktop, right click, then New, then you will see where it is written Microsoft Office Word. It will create a new blank Word document, and you double click on it so that it will get open. You can also come here and write WinWord in Run, and also your Word will get open. Usually this is not all the ways that we can use in order to open our Microsoft Office Word. There are too many ways that you can perform or that you can use in order to open Microsoft Office Word. Next, let us use any of the predefined ways in order to open our Microsoft Office Word. Once you opened your Microsoft Office Word, Word will be giving you the list of templates. This is only available from Word 2010 to Word 2020. And here you can be able to choose any template without going and designing from scratch, and you can design then according to what they have been given to you. You can click here on any preferred template, then you can change accordingly. You can see that everything has been designed for you. What you can do is to go in and also redesign or change the design that has been given to you. Next thing is then the tabs that are available for you, or what we can call the ribbons. But before I go there, I want also just to show you that it is very possible, once you have an opened template, so let's show you how else you can also search for another template. Word from 2010 to 2020 has given you a number of templates, and you can search for any template. Let me say, for example, you want to search for let me say business plan, something like this. Then it will be going online to search for the template for business plan, then it will be showing you the template for business plan. And also you can see that at the left corner of your page you will see the categories of your template. You can check from any category: professional service, home-based professional services, and you can then click here on create. So then it will be showing you the template that you wanted. If the template is not there, it will first download it. That means if you want a new template, you need then to get connected to the internet. It will be showing you everything that you need into your business, and also what you will be doing. You will change accordingly. It will be showing you even sort the strengths, opportunity, weakness, and threat. Everything will be there. So that means then this Word is very rich. And here then we are going then to navigate through. So here there is what we can call like the quick access. We can have like this touch mouse mode. So sometimes then you want this to be read by you, by the system, by the machine. Okay, here you can also, we'll be seeing how can we do it in the next videos. So here we are having the quick access. Here we are having the tabs of the ribbon. So here, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view, and help. So usually you can ask yourself then, why are these tabs like this? Usually these tabs, the way they are ordered in a logical way. Why? Because here in home tab will be having like all the essential tips that you'll be needing in order to design your document. And insert will be having what you can insert. You can insert a table, you can insert a cover page, you can insert a picture, you can insert a video, you can insert an audio, you can insert a reference, a header, a footer, a text box, a word art, a signature, a date, or something. So insert means you are having your document, then you want to insert something in it. Then in designing, then you can change the design by adding the watermark, the themes, and the color, the font, or something like that. And in layout, then you'll be having the layout of your document. That means you can't have a layout before having the document. So this is why most of the things that you wanted are in home. So references, then it is when you want them to add the reference. So but then here you can ask yourself, so this I don't know how to use this I don't know how to use this. But also when you move your mouse to any icon, it will be showing you the usage and the reason of that icon. And in mailing, usually it will be helping you to mail people, or to share, or to create the envelope, or to share the document to many people. So then here, review, that means you want to review then how you have designed your document. And also you want then to see if you can translate. Usually in Word from 2010, you are also having the translation. You can select a word, you can select a paragraph, then you translate it. Then on view, that means how is it viewing before I print it, how, things like that. And also here we remember that also we can be able to arrange our file or our document in a way that you want it, and also zooming. So here help, then it will be giving you the help of whatever that you want. Together here, then we can see that we are having here, when you click in file, so usually this is a tweaking option that has been brought from Word 2007. In also Word 2007 it was there, where you are having new, you go to new if you want a new document, you go to open if you want to open an existing document, you go to save if you want to save your file, and save as, print, share, export, close, account, feedback, and option. So here I want us then to first understand what is this option, because option is very key and very a very key thing to be consulted before we go or we dive into the course. So here you can see the general. In general, you can see, okay, it will be showing you the mini toolbar section, which is this one. And enable live preview, yes, we want the preview to be there. If you want, you can disable it so that you will not be able to see it. You can go to display, you can see the paragraphing marks, you can say, okay, this is very key. We'll be seeing how can we use this paragraph marks. Then here the hidden text, the spaces, something like that, the proofing. Then my focus want to be here on save. So in here, in also proofing, you can also enable this autocorrect, so that if you have wrote word in a wrong way, then it will give you the correction, so that you can select, or you can correct, or leave it as it is. So sometimes we are working on our machines and we are having unsaved files. Those files, usually, even if your machine crashes before you save the file, it doesn't mean that your file is lost, but it is somewhere. But then the problem with that many people are having is to know then where are my recovery files. So then here you can configure the pathing. Usually this is the default path, but then I can configure the path. I can say, okay, whenever I am working on a file, then I can come here and then write recovery files, then you press OK. That means I am changing my default path to be in documents, then recovery file. So what does this means? So each and every save auto information every 1 minute. So in each and every 1 minute, if I am working on Word document, it will be saved here, so that even if I close it without saving it, I will be able to keep track on it. Sometimes you go and you work on a document, then when you are going to save it, other than saving it, you cut it. Oh my goodness, you go back and again redesign that one. So that means here there is a way we can keep track on it. So here also the default local file. So usually also I wanted everything to be in document by default, so that I can even change it manually. So okay, here in languages, so you can also add a language that you want it to be present into your Word. So many people are working in English, so you can also enable this English, or you can add another language, which can be, for example, French. Sometimes you want to mix your English together with French words, so that means for you to have that autocorrect, you need also to have the French word. So easy access all of these things, then you click OK if you have made any change. So then this is it. So we are going then to get started. So that means I am going to have a new document. You can click Ctrl N, or you come here, then you click new, then blank document. So I am going then to have a simple paragraph, and 20, let me say 5, not 50 but 5. So okay, this is a simple Word document that I want to work on it. So then, as you can see, this is my document, but it is not well formatted. So we can see then how can we format our document. So the first thing, I am not sure where to start or where to end, but also here there's something that is called the ruler that I want first of all to enable. You can go to view, then enable ruler. So usually it will be showing you where is your document starting from, or where is your document, the margin of your document. You can also be able to zoom in and zoom out, and also this one you can also get it from here in view. Then you can say I want to zoom at this extent or at that extent. By default it is at 100%, which is good. So then here we can also be able to see there down where it is written the page. So usually it will be showing you the pages, but also you can be able to keep track to everything. So you can also enable section, so that we'll be seeing what is a section. So we'll be defining what is a section, what is this word counter, what is everything in the next video tutorials. But then here we will only be seeing the glimpse of everything. So sometimes then you are not sure about what to do, or how does it done, how to do it. So then here in Microsoft Office Word from 2016 and 2019, there is something which is called tell me what you want to do. For example, I want to leave a comment. So then if you want to leave a comment, it will be showing you how to leave a comment. You can click automatically to insert comment, and then that comment will be inserted automatically. But also you can be able, if you want to leave a comment, then you can get more results. So this will be use intelligence services. You can use intelligence services, or say you not now or something. But when you use intelligence services, let me say for example, get a help on this, insert or delete a comment, read the document in Word, or insert or delete a comment. So here the help will be given to you with that will be fetched from Google. So it's up to you then to read. If you don't know how to do something, this Microsoft Office 2016 is giving you the ability to do so. So here you can be able to read what has been given to you as the help, or even you can also read from the smart lookup. or even you can go to Google and you type how do I insert or delete a comment. So thank you so much for viewing this first tutorial of this series of learning Microsoft Office Word. See you in next tutorial.